audible and visible to everyone? I am audible and visible to everyone. Okay, quickly come to question number, sorry, not question number, page number. Page number 66. Up to page 65 we all have already completed. Up to page 65 we have already completed. Now come to page 68. I am audible and visible to everyone. Tripine, I am audible and visible to everyone. Okay. See, I am reading, you just go through it. Tangram. This is a new thing for you. The tangram is an old Chinese puzzle. From the pieces of the tangram, we can make many shapes of animals, people and things. See, tangram is a type of Chinese puzzle, and in this tangram there are different shapes. Different geometrical shapes are there. You have to just join that shapes and you can make different animals and different objects, different things like that. Okay. Now see, the shapes are given in your book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pieces given. At the back of the book you will find a square like the one in this figure. Cut it out carefully and cut the pieces. This set of 5 pieces is called the 5-piece tangram. In your book at the back side, means at the last page, the tangram pieces are given. You cut it out and you can make different shapes from that. Okay. Now use these 5 pieces to make the following figures. So they have given only 5 pieces. So this 5-piece of set of tangram is known as 5-piece tangram. And in these 5 pieces, there are 3 triangles, 1 parallelogram and 1 square. Out of these 3 triangles, 2 triangles. See, number 2 and number 5. Look at your book. Number 2 and number 5, they are same. Whereas the others, they are not same. Okay. So with the help of these shapes, you can make these pictures as shown in page 66. That means the mountain, then the bird, then the swan. Okay, this type of shapes you can make with the help of that 5-piece tangram. This is an activity. Now come to question number 1 in page 67. This question number 1 you will write in your copy and you will use the scale and pencil to draw the drawing. Okay, see question number 1. How many triangles do you have in your set? Yes, it is page number 67 we are doing. Triparna, page number 67. Everyone mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone, otherwise you will not be able to hear my voice. Tripine, mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone. It is page number 66 and 67. Page number is 67. Page number is 67. Okay. Chapter 5, Shapes and Designs. We are doing page number 67. 67. Answer 1. Answer 1. Page number 67, answer 1. Listen, from my side the voice is clear. You check your own net connection. And for Tripine, this is my request. Everyone mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone. Shucheta, mute your microphone. Shucheta, mute your microphone and switch off the front camera. Everyone switch off your front camera. Moyuk, Linoy, Shucheta, mute your microphone and switch off your front camera. Switch off the front camera. Okay, how many triangles do you have in your set? So there are 5 pieces. Out of 5 pieces, there are 3 pieces as triangle. Okay, so you will write the answer as there are 3 triangles. There are 3 triangles in the set of 5-piece tangram. In the set of 5-piece tangram. Now, are all of them equal in size? Only 2 out of the 3 are equal in size. Out of only 2 out of 3 triangles are equal in size. And how you can find it out? How we can find it out? We can check that by measuring the sides of the triangles. We can check that by measuring the sides of the triangles. Okay. Yes. Now come to the next question. Use the 2 small triangles in the tangram set to get the following shapes. Now see, in the question there are shapes given. 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes are given, and these 3 shapes you have to make by using 2 triangles, that is number 2 and number 5. These 2 triangles are the smaller triangles. So with the help of these 2 smaller triangles, 2 and 5, you have to make first the square, second the triangle, and third the parallelogram. Okay, this also you will draw in the copy. So take your scale and then you will follow the board and then you will draw. This is question number 2. Answer number 2. The first one we are doing. Using triangles 2 and 5. Using triangles 2 and 5 to get the figure of a square. The first one is given square, isn't it? So see, I am drawing freehand. That's why it is not coming straight, but you will take the help of with the help of scale. Okay, this is for the first one. Now second one, using triangles to make a triangle. Two triangles are already there, 2 and 5, isn't it? So you can take any one. Aniruddha, disconnect and join again, then you can see the board. And those who have not switched off the front camera, kindly switch it off. Linoy, Shucheta, Aniruddha, switch off the front camera. Otherwise my audio and video will not be clear to you. Linoy, switch off the front camera. Already they have switched it off. Okay, now you have to make a triangle. See, the question is you have to take both the triangles 2 and 5 and then you have to make a single triangle from that two triangles. Okay, so it will be very easy. Just you draw one triangle this side and you draw the triangle in the other side. So when you will join, it will be a triangle. It will be a triangle. Okay. Now the third one, you have to make a parallelogram. You have to make a parallelogram. Everyone has completed. I am rubbing the board. Completed. I am rubbing the board. Sucheta, switch off your front camera. Now number 3. Number 3. So you will write by using triangles 2 and 5 to get the figure of a parallelogram. The third one is a parallelogram. Okay. Drawing without the scale, that's why it is like this. Okay, like this. Try to draw in your copy. Tripine, you try to draw these figures in your copy. Now question number 3. Which two pieces of the tangram set are exactly same? Find out. Which two pieces of the tangram they are exactly same? You have to find it out. Yes, it is triangle 2 and triangle 5. They are exactly same. Okay, triangle 2 and triangle 5, they are exactly same. So the answer will be answer 3. I am writing answer 3. The pieces 2 and 5 of the the tangram are exactly same, and we can check by check that by measuring them with a scale. By measuring them with a scale. This is the answer for third one. Now come to question number 4 of page 67. Take pieces 4 and 5 from the set and find out on which side of the triangle you can join the other piece. Now see in the tangram, number 4 and number 5. 5 is a triangle and 4 is a parallelogram. So you have to use these two figures 4 and 5 and you have to make different shapes, that or you have to join that triangle in the different sides of the parallelogram. This also you will draw. So do it. This is answer 4. As it is given 4 and 5, the triangle 5 and the parallelogram you have to make it. So this way you can keep the triangle. Next, side you can keep the triangle, and on the top, then below this way. And so this 4 ways you can keep the triangle. Okay, this 4 ways you can keep the triangle. Question number 5. Find matching sides among the following pairs of pieces. Look at the tangram and you have to write the matching one, piece 1 and 2. Take piece 1 and 2, which is the matching of that piece 1 and 2, that you will write. Then 2 and 4, then 1 and 5, and 2 and 5. This question number 5, I am giving homework to you. See page number 66 properly and try to answer it. Okay, so that's all for today. You just practice the tangram. Okay, 3 points. You practice the tangram and you practice the question up to question number 5. So goodbye for today and bye all of you and practice maths.